everyone! So it's me again, your Pinay teacher in Norway, and today's video, sasagutin ko yung question ng isa nating kababayan. He wants to apply in Norway and nasa ibang bansa siya, nasa Croatia siya. So paano yun kapag mag-cross country? So it is also the same rules that applies if mag-apply ka outside Norway or in EU. So if you will go to this website, Work in Norway full guide, ayan, makikita nyo dyan yung link ng arbeidsplassen.no. It is a website that has the list of all the available jobs here in Norway na pwede kang mag-apply. Just look for the requirements na pwede o kaya mo and the works or the jobs na applicable para sa'yo. So, pwede ka pong mag-try and mag-apply sa kanila. Now, may mga questions about applying work here in Norway. Isang question na natanggap ko is, teacher, paano po yun? Dito sa Norway, kailangan ba marunong mag-Norwegian language? Kasi iba yung language nila kapag maghahanap ng work. So, it depends again to the work na a-applyan mo. Kasi, minsan po, kapag ang work, for example, is teacher, doctor, or any skilled worker na you need to communicate with the customers or with your patients or with the students, kailangan po is marunong ka ng Norwegian language. But if you will be a chef or for example, a cleaner, hindi na po kailangan. So again, it depends to the job na gusto mong applyan kung requirement nila ang marunong mag-Norwegian language. Now, may isa pang question. Teacher, paano naman po yung short stay lang or seasonal worker na tinatawag? Yes, in Norway po, available ang maging isang seasonal worker, lalo na sa mga farmer or sa agriculture base po. So, may isa na naman tayong kabayan na nag-message sa akin because he got a job sa isang farm. Yung farm na yon, nagtatanim sila ng mga herbs. So, siya is a bachelor in agriculture sa Pilipinas. And then, nagtry siyang mag-apply in the same field. Kasi, syempre, agriculture din itong pagpa-farm sa Norway. And then, nakakuha siya ng trabaho as a seasonal worker through applying po, hindi sa agency, pero human resources po yung ginawa niya. And still, it is applicable and possible. That's all. Sana nasagot ko yung mga question nyo. And if you want to know more about Norway, just follow. Bye!